Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to reset camera settings on this device. So firstly, let's open the camera app, and right now all we have to do is simply tap on the settings icon in the right upper corner. Firstly, let me show you the evidence that actually the reset option will work. So let me apply something, for example guidelines. Let's tap on it, and I'm not really sure if you can see it, but here we've got the grid lines applied. So now we can actually restart and restore the settings. So let's enter the settings again and tap on restore here. And your device is asking you if you really want to restore to the to default settings, so simply tap on OK, and we just got back to the camera, and I really hope that you can see it, but grid lines simply disappeared, so it means that we successfully reset all camera settings. So actually that's all. This is how to reset camera settings in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.